You've done your hand lens experiment, which was on the top of the page. And now you've scanned this QR code and we're going to work on a microscope experiment. So you should have seen that in your picture next to the eyes with your hand lens, your rock was tiny. You couldn't see all the little things that were on your rock, all the details. Then you used your hand lens, which was on this side before, and you could see it up big. It was big. And you could see the little details and any little sparkles or flakes or dirt or anything that was on the rock. We're going to try and see what a microscope does now. So hand lens helped you see really close and see all the things, small things bigger. Now we're going to look at the microscope. So you need a slide, which is something that you put under the microscope. You need a microscope and you need a pencil. Go ahead and pause and then click play when you are ready. Okay, so you're going to first draw a picture of how you see it with your eyes from far away. So you're going to set it down on a table or a counter, and you are going to look at it with your eyes from far away. No tools. So you're going to draw how it looks from far away. Next, you're going to draw a picture of how you see it using your microscope. Put it underneath the microscope right here and look. Use one of your eyes, close one of your eyes, and look through the microscope to see it through the microscope. Now, how does it look? Draw how it looks in this box.